In this video, I will show you how to find and invite friends in chess.com. So simply open up chess.com. In the home screen, you will find friends. Click on it. From here, you can search up your contacts, your Facebook friends, or you can invite friends. Or what you can do is simply click on search by name or username. From here, search up your friend's name or username. Then this will appear. Simply click on this plus icon, then they will get a request. Or simply click on invite friends. You can select any app where you want to send the request, or here you can see this text. Simply click on copy. After that, go to the place where your friend is, then simply paste the link, and then once they click on the link and accept the invite, your friends will be added. And that's it. That is how you can find and invite friends on chess.com. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.